How to cut up a chicken the correct way. Everybody buys them pieces in the store, or they cook the chicken whole. It's pretty simple. You just basically cut along here on both sides to separate the dark meat from the white meat. This takes a little bit of muscle. You gotta cut through the backbone, but it's all pretty simple. You cut the skin and you basically have white meat and dark meat. So then you cut along the spine, separate the two thighs, and that takes a little effort. The rest of this is very easy. You just cut along in between where the thigh and the leg are until you find the joint, and you separate the joint, and that gives you a classic drumstick and a thigh. We'll do that again so you can see. It's all pretty simple. At this point you can just break it there. Two more pieces. Then it comes to separating, cutting the wings off. There again, you just cut down until you hit that joint. Comes off pretty easy actually. My knife is a little dull. I like to fold these wings over so when you cook them it makes a nice little piece. Sometimes it doesn't work. Cut the next wing off. Do the same thing. Then you basically have a back and the breasts. Put along here, get the back off. Then you separate the breast by cutting down the middle. Takes a little bit of effort. There's a wishbone that cut through. And there you have it.